In today's video, I'm going to teach you create drop-down lists from an existing data set. If you want to make data entry faster, cleaner, and more consistent in your spreadsheet, creating a drop-down list from values you already have is a great option. It helps limit entries to specific choices, reduces typing mistakes, and makes your sheet easier for anyone to use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn an existing set of values into a drop-down list. To begin, highlight the data you want to use for the drop-down options. These should be the cells that contain the values you want people to choose from later. Make sure you select only the items you want included, because the drop-down list will be based directly on this range. It also helps to check that your list is clean and consistent before moving on, so there aren't any unwanted blanks or extra entries included in the final menu. Once your data is selected, click on the highlighted cells and choose Dropdown. This opens the setup for creating your list based on the data you already selected. Using an existing dataset is especially helpful when you already have categories, statuses, names of products, or other repeated values stored in your sheet and want to reuse them in a more controlled way. After that, look to the right side of the screen where the Data Validation Rules panel will open. In this panel, your options should automatically populate based on the order of the range you selected. That means the values in your drop-down list will appear in the same sequence as they do in your original data. This is useful if the order matters, such as when you want items to appear alphabetically, by priority, or in a custom sequence you've already arranged. Take a moment here to review the populated options and make sure everything looks correct, since the list is coming from the selected cells. Any issues in the source data will usually appear here as well. This quick review can save time later and helps ensure your drop-down behaves exactly the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Done to finalize the rule. Your drop-down list is now created using the existing data set, giving you a simple and reliable way to standardize entries in your spreadsheet. That's all it takes to create a drop-down list from an existing data set. Thanks for watching.